So let's see how to find a specific person on Pinterest or follow someone. Suppose you want to like Alex, then just type Alex and press enter. Make sure you select people, then all Alex here. Just click someone and make us follow. Now suppose you want to follow someone who love pets, then type pets and select the board option. Why? Let's see. There are a lot of board. Just click someone. See, here is 71,000 followers. So click on followers and you see all followers on this board. Just follow. So it's very easy to use. In mobile version is same. You see this search option. Okay. Thank you for watching.